The automotive world is entering a new era. For more than a century, building a car has followed almost the same formula. Thousands of individual parts, massive assembly lines, hundreds of robots, and countless hours of welding and joining. But now, a completely different approach is challenging that traditional system. At the center of this transformation is Tesla, a company known for pushing manufacturing beyond conventional limits. While automakers around the world are competing through better batteries, smarter software, and advanced designs, Tesla is attacking one of the biggest challenges in the industry itself: how cars are built. Imagine a machine so powerful that it can create a major section of a vehicle in a single casting process, instead of assembling hundreds of separate pieces. This is the idea behind the next generation of Gigapress technology. The concept sounds almost impossible, but the goal is simple: fewer parts, faster production, lower costs, and a completely different factory model. Welcome to GearNation. In today's video, we will explore how massive casting machines could reshape the future of car manufacturing, why Tesla is investing in this technology, and why traditional automakers are watching this development very closely. Subscribe to GearNation for more deep technology and automotive stories. To understand where this revolution is heading, we first need to look at where it started. When Tesla introduced large-scale die casting into its production process, it changed the way many engineers viewed vehicle manufacturing. The company's early Gigapress machines were designed to replace dozens of smaller components with much larger single-piece structures. One of the biggest examples came with the Model Y production process. Traditionally, building the rear section of a vehicle required many separate metal components that had to be stamped, positioned, welded, and inspected. Every additional part meant more equipment, more labor, and more opportunities for problems. Tesla's casting approach simplified that process by combining multiple pieces into one large structural component. The result was a lighter design, fewer manufacturing steps, and a more efficient production line. As Tesla expanded production across different factories, this manufacturing philosophy became a major part of its strategy. The company was not just building electric vehicles, it was redesigning the factory itself. Then came a bigger challenge. With the development of larger vehicles such as the Cybertruck, Tesla needed even more advanced manufacturing solutions. A larger and heavier vehicle required stronger structural components and a more powerful casting system. This pushed the technology forward. The move from thousands of smaller parts toward larger single-piece castings represented a major shift in automotive thinking. Instead of asking, how do we assemble more parts faster? The question became, how can we eliminate unnecessary parts completely? Now the industry is looking toward the next possible stage: extremely large casting machines capable of creating even bigger sections of a vehicle in one process. A machine in the 50,000-ton class would represent a massive increase in manufacturing capability. The number does not describe the weight of the machine itself. It refers to clamping force, the force used to keep the mold closed while molten aluminum is injected under extreme pressure. During the casting process, liquid aluminum pushes outward against the mold. Without enough force holding everything together, the shape could fail. A machine with enormous clamping power allows manufacturers to create much larger and more complex components. The potential impact is huge. Instead of producing many separate pieces and joining them together later, manufacturers could create larger structural sections in a single operation. This could reduce assembly time, decrease factory complexity, and allow vehicles to be produced more efficiently. The biggest advantage is not just speed, it is a completely different manufacturing philosophy. Traditional factories are built around thousands of individual steps. Large-scale casting moves toward a simpler approach where fewer components do more work. For future vehicles designed around efficiency and affordability, especially autonomous transportation concepts, this strategy could become extremely valuable. A factory that can produce larger vehicle structures with fewer machines and fewer assembly stages could have a major advantage over companies still depending on older manufacturing methods. However, this technology is not only about having the biggest machine. It requires advanced engineering, precise material control, powerful cooling systems, and extremely accurate quality inspection. Creating massive cast parts brings new challenges. A small defect in a large structural component can become a major problem, which means manufacturers must develop new methods to ensure reliability. The future of automotive manufacturing will not be decided only by who builds the fastest car. It may be decided by who can build that car in the smartest and most efficient way. And if large-scale casting technology continues to improve, the factory of the future may look completely different from the factories we know today. The race has already started, and the companies that adapt fastest could define the next generation of transportation. The biggest advantage of next-generation casting technology is not only about creating larger parts. The real revolution comes from how much faster and more efficient the entire manufacturing process can become. Traditional casting systems require multiple stages. Aluminum must be injected, spread through the mold, cooled, inspected, and then moved to the next stage of production. Every extra step adds time, equipment, and cost. But with extremely powerful casting systems, manufacturers can potentially create much larger structural components in a single operation. More material can be processed at once, and the production cycle can become significantly shorter. This means a factory that once needed many separate machines and long assembly processes could achieve similar output with fewer systems and a much simpler production layout. For a vehicle like an autonomous taxi or a future low-cost electric vehicle, this advantage becomes extremely important. The goal is not just to build a car, it is to build millions of cars efficiently and profitably. This is where Gigacasting changes the entire manufacturing strategy. For decades, automakers built vehicles by combining hundreds of individual parts. Each component required separate tools, separate machines, and separate quality checks. After that, thousands of robotic welding operations connected everything together. A modern vehicle body can contain hundreds of structural pieces. Every additional component increases complexity. Large-scale casting changes the formula. Instead of manufacturing dozens of smaller parts and joining them together, a manufacturer can create much larger sections as a single piece. Fewer components mean fewer welding operations, fewer robots, less factory space, and a shorter production process. The result is a factory that can be smaller, faster, and potentially much cheaper to operate. This manufacturing philosophy could have a major impact on production costs. Lower complexity means fewer tools, fewer assembly steps, and reduced labor requirements. Material efficiency can also improve. Traditional manufacturing often creates waste because individual parts must be cut, shaped, and adjusted. With large casting methods, more of the final structure can be created directly from the mold. However, the benefits of gigacasting go beyond cost savings. It also changes what engineers can design. For decades, vehicle designers had to work within the limitations of traditional manufacturing. A complex shape might look impressive on a computer screen, but if it required too many difficult manufacturing steps, engineers often had to simplify the idea. Large casting technology removes some of those limitations. A single large structure can combine multiple functions, including mounting points, support sections, and parts of the vehicle frame, into one integrated design. For electric vehicles, this approach is especially valuable. Weight is one of the biggest challenges in EV engineering. A heavier vehicle requires more battery power, which increases cost and reduces efficiency. Using lightweight materials such as aluminum can help reduce overall vehicle weight while maintaining strength. A lighter EV can achieve better driving range, improved acceleration, and more efficient energy use. Another important advantage is structural strength. Every connection point in a vehicle is a potential weakness. When hundreds of parts are joined together, engineers must carefully manage every weld, bolt, and connection. A larger single-piece casting can reduce the number of these connection points, creating a more integrated structure. Well, this does not automatically guarantee a safer vehicle, because safety depends on many factors, including design, materials, and testing. But reducing unnecessary complexity gives engineers new opportunities to improve vehicle structures. The biggest transformation may come from how the vehicle platform itself is designed. Future electric vehicles could be developed around a more integrated architecture, where the battery system, chassis, and structural components work together as one optimized system. This could allow automakers to create vehicles that are lighter, more efficient, and easier to manufacture. But this technology also creates a major question for the global automotive industry. If companies can produce vehicles faster, cheaper, and with fewer manufacturing steps, how will traditional automakers respond? The competition is no longer only about who makes the best engine or the longest range battery. The next battle may be about who can build the smartest factory. The next major battle in the automotive industry will not only be fought on the roads, it will be fought inside the factories. For decades, companies like Toyota, Volkswagen, General Motors, and Ford have perfected a traditional manufacturing system. Their factories are built around thousands of individual steps, stamping metal sheets, creating separate components, welding hundreds of pieces together, and moving vehicles through long assembly lines. This system has produced millions of successful vehicles, but it also comes with a major disadvantage: complexity. Every additional part requires more machines, more workers, more production time, and more opportunities for manufacturing problems. Tesla's approach is completely different. Instead of asking how to improve the old system, Tesla is trying to reduce the number of steps altogether. Large-scale casting technology represents a new manufacturing philosophy where fewer parts can create a simpler and faster production process. If future vehicles can be produced using large integrated castings, factories could become smaller while producing more vehicles at the same time. This is why gigacasting has attracted so much attention. It is not just a machine upgrade, it is a possible change to the entire factory model. However, the transition will not be easy for traditional automakers. Replacing decades-old manufacturing systems requires massive investment. Existing factories are designed around traditional methods, and changing them means rebuilding production lines, training workers, and developing new engineering processes. Companies cannot simply purchase a new machine and instantly transform their operations. The challenge is not only financial, it is also technological. Building extremely large cast components requires advanced engineering. Controlling molten aluminum, maintaining precise temperatures, preventing defects, and ensuring long-term durability are all difficult tasks. A small component defect can be replaced easily. But when a large structural casting contains a problem, the cost can become much higher, because the entire piece may need to be discarded. Quality control becomes one of the biggest challenges. Manufacturers must develop advanced inspection systems to identify internal problems that cannot be seen from the outside. Technologies such as advanced scanning and automated testing become essential. Another concern is vehicle repair. Traditional vehicles are often built from many smaller sections, making certain repairs easier after accidents. But when a vehicle relies on large integrated castings, repairing damaged structural areas may become more complicated and expensive. This creates a new challenge for automakers, building vehicles that are not only efficient to manufacture but also practical for customers throughout their lifetime. So the future of gigacasting is not guaranteed. It represents enormous potential, but it also requires solving major engineering and business problems. Now comes the biggest question. What will the automotive industry look like by the end of this decade? If large-scale casting technology proves successful, it is unlikely to remain limited to one company. Other automakers will eventually explore similar manufacturing methods because the advantages are too significant to ignore. Lower production costs, faster assembly, and more efficient factories could become some of the most important competitive advantages in the electric vehicle market. Companies that adapt quickly may gain a major advantage, while those that move slowly could face increasing pressure from faster and more efficient competitors. The future may also create opportunities for new EV companies. Instead of building massive traditional factories from the ground up, new manufacturers could focus on software, battery technology, and innovative vehicle designs while using advanced manufacturing partnerships to produce vehicles. This could lower the barrier for new competitors entering the automotive market. The result could be a completely different industry landscape. The winners of the future may not simply be the companies with the longest history or the biggest factories. They may be the companies that can combine smart design, efficient manufacturing, and advanced technology. Tesla's Gigacasting strategy represents one possible path toward that future. Whether it becomes the dominant manufacturing method or simply one important technology among many, one thing is clear: the way cars are built is changing. The next generation of automotive competition will not only be about horsepower, range, or features. It will be about who can create the most efficient machine for building the vehicles of tomorrow. Subscribe to GearNation for more deep dives into the future of technology, automobiles, and the innovations shaping our world.